Hello, beautiful YouTube family. What's up? It's your girl Megan, and today's video is going to be talking about what my favorite Instagram filters are on Instagram to give you guys some good looks and some fun time to play around with them. This was not requested by anyone, but I just decided I really just felt like doing this, and if you guys don't like it, I'm sorry. But I love using these because they're fun, and if you don't put makeup on, you could just use one of these, and it is amazing, and I love changing the eye color, and it's cool. So yeah, let's get started. It's super sunny out right now. So this first one I'm using is called Sunkist Sparkle, and you can find this on Instagram. I don't know how I'm gonna... Okay, you know what? Maybe I'll make a highlight on my Instagram page with all these filters, and then you guys can find them that way. All right, but yeah. Okay, so this one's cool. It gives you kind of like an antique vintage vibe, which I love, and it kind of gives like a rosy peachy glow to your cheeks. And then my favorite part about it, your desired eye color. So I recommend this for that. Okay, my next one, and these two were actually posted by Kylie Jenner recently, so you guys might have already seen them. But this one is called Blue Colored Eyes, and it basically gives your eyes blue colored contact look. And I love this because it's just bomb, and it actually looks realistic. A lot of times they don't look real, but this one you could fool your friends with, and this is a great one. Like, why bother putting all the effort into putting a contact lens in when we have the technology right now to do something like this? Okay, wow, this one gives you a whole new face. Like, your girl has a whole new face. You can't even recognize me with this one. So this is great if you're trying to go incognito and, you know, you need to catfish everyone that you know. So this is called... and it gives you insane lashes that you can't even find at Sephora at this time. And it gives you green contacts. Like, what is that? What is people doing with this filter? Like, catfishing everyone. Okay, so this is a way more realistic one. This one's called Cheekbones and Freckles. And you can tap it, and it gives you, like, freckles, I guess, versus cheekbones. I don't know. But this, like, I don't love it as much. I feel like it makes you look kind of like fake and plastic surgery. And all the comments were like, oh my gosh, you got so much Botox. I think it's so funny because it's just a filter, but people like can't figure it out because they don't realize it. But that's good. It still gives you like a cool winged eye, and I like the look. This is a huge like glow up. If you're blessed enough to have this eye color, I'm forever jealous of you. But this like gives you a tan and a bronze and a glow, and I really like this one. I find that a lot of people might think that this is catfishing, but if you don't realize this is fake, I don't know what to tell. But yeah, I like this one, so that's one gonna be in my story as well. And also, no shade to people with brown eyes. I love you guys so much. Okay, next one. This one does a huge glow up to your lashes. It's almost spidery. So I'm not sure, because you kind of look like daddy long legs with this going on. But if you're into that, like, no shade. And it's got a little LV logo right here, so I think it's mad cute. And it also does the freckles on the face. See, it goes away. So you can see, like, how it does it. Maybe I should show it, like, when it goes away. Oh, well. And then you could click, I think, for the eyes, the eye color thing. So, mad cute. Okay, my last one. This is, like, my favorite one. Maybe because it makes me look like I got, like, eye surgery. But it's crazy. It's called Aerial Glow. And what it does is it glows out the skin, smooths out the skin, and then it also lifts, like, these corners of your eyes and thins the nose, like, a lot. This is a very catfishy filter. If you use this, do expect people who don't know how Instagram works, they're gonna accuse you of plastic surgery, or they're just gonna accuse you of like going like that often. But yeah, like it plumps with the lips, and I think it's cute though. What do you guys think? I don't know. That's it. Okay, last one, I promise. This one is called Hearts and Freckles, and this is such a like anime cartoon doll look. I think it's so cute. It makes you look babyish, plumps up your cheeks, and this is fun. Like, this is a fun one to use on Instagram. I lost my train of thought, or if I even had one. It's almost like a Japanese anime feel. Alright, so this is the last one, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video about my favorite Instagram filters to catfish. And yeah, if you guys want to find these filters, I have them on my Instagram. They're in my story highlights, and they should be in order of the way that I put them on the video to help you guys find them. And if you want them, you click on the story and then you touch at the top. There's like a little arrow that goes down and you save it. All right. I'll talk to you guys so soon, and thanks so much